This quick video is about how to save your BeReal post to your iPhone Photos app from within the BeReal app. And it's an official way to do that. Okay, let's see. First, open your BeReal app. Yeah. To save your recent post, just open that. On the bottom, you will see these icons. Just swipe left. On the end, you will find this option Add to Photos. Just touch that. That's it. Your recent BeReal post will be saved to Photos app. And to save old or all BeReal photos means just close this and click here. Now tap View All Memories. Yeah, here open the post you want to save. For example, I open this one. Here also you can see these icons. So just swipe left and hit Add to Photos. That's it. Likewise, you can save all posts to your iPhone gallery. That's it for now. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.